And as you can see, hello everyone, this is the VOLTME Revo series PD fast charger, which is power delivery. It comes with 2 USB-C ports. If you're using one, it will give you 35 watts of power. And if you're using both of them, you're going to get 18 watts per port. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this VOLTME 35W PD fast charger actually works with smartphones and laptops and tablets. The laptop that it works with is the MacBook Air, and you can also charge iPads with it, iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, and any other device that is using a USB-C cable. I'm going to be testing this out with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. We're going to go ahead and plug in USB-C cable of the one end into the charger, and the other USB-C port will go into my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And as you can see, it is showing that it is fast charging. It will act as if you're using the original Samsung charger that comes with your phone. If you don't have a USB-C to USB-C cable, you can actually also use a USB-A to USB-C with an adapter. So I'm going to be using this adapter that came with my Samsung phone. It's a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So I'm just going to use that with it. I'm going to connect the end to the charger, and I'm going to connect my second device to the charger. There you go. 2 devices are being charged at the same time. And as you can see, I'll show you that my Samsung phone is still fast charging with 2 devices connected. And if you have a device that uses a USB micro connection, which is some older Android phones and other devices that use the USB micro connection, you can still use the adapter that I showed you earlier. Connect it with the cable, plug it into the charger, and then you can connect your USB micro cable into your device, and there you go.